now we have to buy new furniture. I am now headed out to look at some furniture. So here's the story. Our living room is empty. That's because we gave our living room furniture to baby girl who just moved out. So now we have to buy new furniture. So I'm really excited about it. So I'm going to head down to a store that's nearby to see if there's anything that strikes my eye. I'm just looking at this point, so we'll see what there is. But thank you for coming along with me. I am out, and this is one time that I'm not doing any a Goodwill run. I haven't been there in about a week now. So anyway, okay, so I'm going to include some pictures of furniture that I'm interested in, that I really like, and so we'll see how we make out. But I've been toying with the idea. I kind of like, first of all, I thought about maybe we should paint, because right now we have a very, it's a neutral color, but it's a light, I don't know what color it actually is anymore. We had raffia ribbon, raffia something else, and they're all in the tan family. So all the rooms are like in the tan family. All the rooms downstairs, that is, are in like a tan family. And I'll show you the rooms, or the living room, that is. And so I was thinking of white furniture or something very neutral along those lines, because I was thinking of actually painting the rooms white, or some variation of white, cream, lighter white, something like that, and then just getting some white furniture. As I said, nobody goes in that room anyway, but still needed to have some decent furniture in there. Maybe if we had some other furniture, we might spend some time in there. But anyway, so I'm going to include some pictures of furniture, and let me know what your ideas are. I'm thinking white, but I also like that concept of another neutral color, like a linen color, that would be any kind of an offshoot of white would be nice too. Just something neutral, so that when you change your mind about, or you want to refresh your room, you don't have to go out and buy new furniture. You can just change like the accessories and just change some throw pillows, or some of the decor within the room, without changing out your furniture each time you change your mind. So I like that idea too. So we'll see we come up with. But please give me some suggestions, your suggestions about whether white furniture or the linen color. I toyed with the gray, which is very popular these days, which is still a neutral, but I had a feeling that gray will eventually may go out of style soon. So I don't really know. So let me have your comments. So guys, I am showing you just some footage of the living room in its current state. What happened is we baby girl moved out. I think I mentioned that in another video. So we gave our furniture to her. The living room furniture we gave to her. It wasn't anything new. I picked it up off of Craigslist years ago, and just to put something in that room. As I said, we don't use that room a lot. But I'm thinking of getting 4 white chairs or 4 linen colored chairs just to put in there. Maybe have it be just a sitting room. So that's my thought. I'm going to include some pictures from what's it called? Wayfair and another place. I can't even think of the name of the place that I saw some pictures, and a Pinterest picture that's my Pinterest inspired picture that I really, really like, of 4 chairs sitting around a coffee table. Ideally, I think that would be what I'd like for the living room. So, but give me your feedback, and don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. But give me your feedback on some ideas. You see the paint there. As I said, it's in the tan family, really light colored tan. It's coming off a little darker than it really is. But give me your feedback on what you think, if we could go with the 4 white chairs in this area. And I'm going to come back on, and I hope you'll help me decide what to do with this living room. So thanks, guys.